Good morning, children. This is the 8th class social studies, 4th lesson. What is this lesson? 4th lesson, the polar region. The polar regions. Now, once look at this picture. Look at this picture. I drawn here the globe. So we know this is the globe. Upon the globe, some imaginary lines are there. Horizontal lines. They are called latitudes. Look at, these are imaginary lines, latitudes. Now here, among all latitudes, 0° latitude is equator. Next one, 23.5 degree. This is Tropic of Cancer. This is Tropic of Capricorn. So from 0° to below, this south part is called Southern Hemisphere. From 0 to here, this north part is called Northern Hemisphere. Okay. So this belt is called tropical zone. This belt is called tropical zone. Look boys, where I am pointing, this belt is called tropical zone. Okay. Next one, this belt, this area is called temperate zone or temperate belt. So above this one we can find here cold polar region. This is 90 degrees. These all area cold polar region. Okay. It is also known as tundra. What it is? Tundra. So here Antarctica continent and also here we can find only snow. A large amount of water became snow. Why? Because due to the low temperature, that all appear as a hard rock like a stone. Okay. This is the tundra region or polar region. Now look at here. What is the meaning of tundra? What is the meaning of tundra? Tundra means very cold. Tundra means very cold. It is very cold. We cannot find the temperature. We know boys, this is our country, India. So in India, we are experiencing every day sunrise and evening sunset. Morning we can see the sun rising, evening we can see the sunset. But here we cannot see any daily sunrise and sunset. Daily sunrise or sunset. Even here no man is living. It is not suitable to the inhabited. Okay. That's why people are not living in Antarctica continent. But here a few people are living from many years ago. A few people. Okay boys. Now listen, this is Arctic Circle. This is what? Arctic Circle. So Arctic Circle and up of this all area from up to 90 degrees North Pole. This is called tundra region. It is filled by snow because the temperature is very low. Now listen, almost throughout the year we cannot see any trees, large trees, because this place is not suitable for growing trees. Okay, why? Because the land, upon the land, snow already formed. Even rivers, lakes, even sea, these all water bodies also became a frozen or freeze throughout year. Okay, that we can see. So the plants also, if any plant will there, they also will die. Why? Because there is no chance to penetrate their roots into the ground due to the thickness of ice. So natural tundra vegetation. Tundra vegetation. Vegetation means plants or trees. Big trees we cannot see in this area. What about this is all tundra region position. Okay. What about summer? What about summer? Here summer comes from February to March. From February to March. From February to March, every day, one day, 2 hours daytime is there. 6 hours daytime, 8 hours daytime, 16 hours daytime, 24 hours daytime. 24 hours we can see a light color daytime. Okay, so this is a peculiar situation happening in this polar region or tundra region, contrast with our region, our country. In our country daily we are looking the sun almost, if there is no clouds in the sky. Okay, day and night we are experiencing, but here position is different. Okay, that is about this region. Next one, at summer time a light temperature is forming here, falling here. That's why the ice which is formed during the remaining months melting, gradually melting this all snow. When it is melting, some kinds of little or small trees will be appeared with different colors. Different plants will be appeared. They can give flowers. They can give a different color fruits also. That is about the natural vegetation of this tundra region. Okay, land almost rock state. That means a thick layer of snow will be covered upon the land. So that's why vegetation is impossible in this area. But this land rock position is also known as permafrost. What it is called? Permafrost. So upon the land, upon the earth surface in this area covered by thick hard snow. So that hard thick snow is also known as permafrost. What it is? Permafrost. Even though in these adverse conditions or situations, here a few people are living from many years onwards or many thousand years onwards. What they are called? They are called Eskimos. What they are called? Eskimos. In which regions they are living? Here I wrote already. Look at Eskimos are living Greenland. So this is Greenland. Canada. This is Canada. This is Canada. Okay. Next Alaska. This area they are living. Okay. This area. Where? In which regions the Eskimos are living? Canada, Greenland and Alaska. In these three regions the Eskimos are living. What is, and Siberia also. Siberia means this area. Okay. This is the imaginary figure or picture. After this lesson, once you look at your textbook, then you can find and you can understand. Now listen. So Siberia, Alaska, Canada and Greenland. In these regions we can find Eskimos. Next one, what is the meaning of Eskimo? Eskimo means snowshoe netter. Snowshoe netter. This is the meaning of Eskimos. Next one, these Eskimos are living 5,000 years ago. 5,000 years ago or before only. Okay, they moved from Asia to North America and these areas through Bering Strait. Through Bering Strait. Okay. Next one, they have some languages. They have three. They are speaking or spoken by three languages. Okay. They are speaking three languages. What are they? Inuit, Yupik, Inupiat. What that language is? For example, our language is Telugu language. Okay. Next, if you go to Chennai, or Tamil Nadu, they will speak Tamil language. Okay. Next to, if you go to America, they will speak English language. If you go to France, they will speak French language. Okay. Likewise, here these people, Eskimos, are who are living in these areas: Canada, Alaska, okay, Siberia, Greenland. In this area, Eskimos are speaking some languages. Among them, Aleut, Yupik, Inupiq. These are the important ones. They have no. These languages also many dialects. Okay. For example, our AP. If you go to Srikakulam, their spoken language is one type. If you go to Telangana, they will speak one type of Telugu language. That dialect is different. Likewise, here also they are speaking like that. Next one, look at what about population. For example, our AP population 5 crores above. Okay. Now the world population, already 700 crores above. Our Indian population 130 crores above. Likewise, what is the total population of these Eskimos in this area? What is that area? Alaska, Greenland, Siberia. Okay, in these areas. For example, Siberia, the Eskimos are living only 2,000 members. How many? Only 2,000 members are living in the Siberia region. This is Siberia region. Next one, Alaska. How many people are living in Alaska? Just 30,000 people. 30,000 people are living in Alaska. Next one, Canada. In Canada, here Canada. Okay, this is America, USA. Up of USA, we can find Canada. Okay. So Canada, 22,500 members are living in Canada. Next, Greenland. So this is Greenland. So here Greenland, 43,000 people are living in Greenland. So that is the population of these Eskimos. Okay. So what is the main chief activity of our AP people? Agriculture. So next to some people are going field works. They are mainly, we can see the rural people are depending upon agriculture. They are doing agriculture activities and animal rearing. Okay. Next to, in cities areas, some people are doing business, some people going to office as an employer, so they will work office works, etc. Okay. But what about these Eskimos? What are the works of the Eskimos? How they will live? So their main activity is hunting. What is the main activity? Hunting and fishing. They will hunt the animals who are moving there. Next one, they will catch the fish in that water bodies. So with this hunting and fishing, they are living in this polar region. That means tundra region. Tundra means very cold. Okay, that is your lesson points, boys. Now I want to show you the pictures. You come to your lesson. Listen, boys. Now this is our earth. These are the continents. Now this is tundra region. Look this. Okay. Now this is one also. Look at it. Closer view of polar region. Polar region on the world map. Now look at here. Two pictures are there. This is tundra region. This is normal. Now the people who are looking in this tundra region, look once. This photograph taken in 1930. Okay, the people are these Eskimos. They are called Eskimos.
Okay, now look at here. A very old photograph of Siberia. Yupik woman holding walrus tusks. These are the walrus tusks. Okay, thank you.